I'm going to be talking about the many benefits of using watermelon as a toner for your face. Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Of course, with our skincare regimen, it's very good, number one, to cleanse your face. It's also good for you to exfoliate your face in order to remove all those dead cells, the dirt, the debris, all those kind of unwanted toxins from our face. And of course, you moisturize your face and you tone your face as well. There are many off-the-counter toners that we use. There are many organic ones as well. In this same channel, I've mentioned how you can use mint leaves as a toner for your face. Number one, if you have sensitive skin, mint leaves is very good for you. And another toner I'm going to be bringing your way today is simply the watermelon juice. Watermelon is packed full with a lot of nutrients, and I'm going to be highlighting them and telling you all about it just in a bit. Don't go anywhere. Please watch this video from the beginning till the end because it's going to be very, very beneficial for you. And you wonder why you've been spending a lot of money buying those toners. This is not to say you shouldn't buy whatever you want to buy. I'm just giving you guys my 2 cents because I preach organic stuff. And I always want to encourage people to use whatever they have in their kitchen in order to achieve the skin that they want. So watermelon in its simplest form can be very, very beneficial for your skin. Let's find out how. Watermelon helps with hydrating your skin. If you have dehydrated skin which has a dull and dry appearance, using watermelon because of a high water content will help to keep the skin hydrated and moisturized. This will also help to keep your skin looking supple and great. Watermelon contains a natural substance that helps to shrink body tissues. Of course, this means that it is a natural toner that can help to refresh your skin. Watermelon also helps to keep your skin from aging. We all know that as our skin gets older, it becomes thinner and to be able to less recover from damage. Our body is also filled with free radicals that damage the skin cells over time, and this will attribute to the cause of aging skin. Watermelon is filled with antioxidants such as lycopene and vitamin C, which helps to reduce these free radicals that can slow down the signs of aging. Using watermelon on your skin, which has a lot of vitamin A, will encourage the growth of collagen and elastin skin cells. And this will help to keep your skin looking young and very supple. Watermelon is also very good for those that have very oily skin, because if you have oily skin, it means that your sebaceous glands secrete a lot of oil, and having this means that you have troubled skin, because this will give rise to a lot of skin issues like acne, pimples, and many other things, especially for those that have oily skin. Using watermelon is going to help you greatly because watermelon is packed with vitamin A, reducing the skin pore size and the amount of oil that your sebaceous glands secrete. So in essence, watermelon will help you to fight all those excess oil from your face. So even if you have oily skin, this is going to be very, very beneficial for you. It will hydrate your skin without necessarily packing a lot of more oils on your face. So using watermelon as a toner on its own, it's one of the best things that you can do for your face. So let's just keep on watching this video. Let me show you how you can achieve this watermelon toner in less than 2 minutes. Guys, so I have my watermelon here and I'll just show you. You don't have to do too much. If you want to blend it, you can blend. If you want to grate it, you can grate it. Because watermelon has a lot of juice, I'm not going to exert so much energy in getting this juice out. I'm just slicing it, as you can see. Already the juice is coming out. If you want to use watermelon, please don't mix any water with it. You don't need to mix any water with it at all. Watermelon is sufficient on its own. I'm just going to break it down with my spoon. You can use anything to get the juice out, basically. So I'm just going to sieve some of the juice that I have gotten into this container over here. Guys, so you can see that I have a lot of watermelon juice now. Of course, if I blend the watermelon, I'll get a lot more, but in order not to waste our time, I just wanted to show you that I have gotten some watermelon juice, and this is the toner you need. Like I said, no need for adding some water, no water, nothing, just the watermelon juice. So whichever way you can get it, blend it and save it, grate it and save it, whichever way is totally fine. You can even blend it with the seeds, you can blend it with the pulp, it's totally fine. Honestly, it has a lot of nutrients, the whole watermelon itself. But if you do not want it that way, just the juice is also fine. So let's just go on to see the application of this watermelon toner on my face. Guys, so this is my watermelon toner. You can see the way it is, yeah. The next thing you want to do is just to grab a cotton pad, anything you can use to apply it on your face. And I'm just going to dab it a bit and just apply on the face. I also prefer when it is cold. I removed this from the fridge shortly before I did this procedure. So I like when it is cold because it also helps to close your pores. Like I said, for those that have very oily skin, this is very good for you. So making it cold as well is going to be very beneficial because it's going to help to close your pores so that you do not secrete excess oil. So just do this in circular motions. Cleanse everywhere. This is as a toner for your skin. By the time you are done with this, you can go to bed like so. I believe this is totally fine for you, but if not, kindly do a patch test first. I always advise to do a patch test first before you apply any skincare product on your face. You can never be too sure, you can never be too careful. So kindly do a patch test first to see that it agrees with you. Doing a patch test means you can apply it on like your inner elbow or along your jawline underneath here to be sure that it does not affect you. You can apply it there for like 5 minutes. If it doesn't sting, if it doesn't burn, then that means you can go on to apply it all over your face. But watermelon is 97% water. It should be okay for you, but you can never be too careful. Just try it first and see. This is an excellent toner for those that have oily skin, those that have sensitive skin, those that have dry skin. It is perfect for everybody and anybody. Any color is perfect for almost anybody. Like, it's something that I know is very safe. That is why I really subscribe to using this watermelon toner. Your skin will be clear, smooth, like you can imagine just this doing so much for you without you necessarily buying a lot of product. It's really going to work. And please be consistent with your regimen. The better you are at it, the more results you're going to see. Don't just do it one day, stop and start asking that, oh, where are the changes? You have to do it on and on and on, and your skin is going to be as flawless as ever. So one last thing, guys, with the way you've done this, of course you have to maintain it and keep it in your refrigerator. This is the best way to store it, or you can even freeze it. What I will advise you to do is to freeze it. If you've like done a lot at a time, you can freeze some, and if you need it, you can just like make it thaw at room temperature before you use. If you leave it at room temperature, it will go sour, it will go bad, and I won't advise you to use that kind of product on your face. So please always store it in bits like this. So just the way it is like this will take me for about a week, and I'll store it in the refrigerator. You can stay for about a week in your refrigerator. If it is more than this kind of quantity, I would advise you to store it in your deep freezer. Let it freeze well. So with the time you need it, you get it out in like little quantities, just like that. So guys, I hope you learned something good today. Please don't keep this to yourself. Share with your sister, with mom, with friends, with girlfriend, with wife, neighbors, acquaintance, partner, anybody. Everybody will benefit from this. Like I said, it's also anti-aging, so everybody will benefit from this, and it is like, it's not expensive at all. Yeah, very affordable. If you've not subscribed to my channel as well, please use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel for many more amazing videos like this, and I'll see you later. You're beautiful just the way you are. Bye.